Hello, I'm Ying. I'm a multi-disciplinary movement artist, certificate yoga teacher, and a tarot practitioner. Being on this journey since I moved to Berlin, to basically seeking myself, what's my true essence and what's my passions. I was very lucky to work with movements, and I found myself getting in touch with a lot of old wounds I didn't expect to explore or being healed or being cleansed. Transcendence would be the word I choose. The reason is transcendence, there's a dance and there's a lot of movement in the ritual.